In this demonstration, we will walk through setting up an availability template. This feature lets you control availability, ensuring sales items are only accessible on specific days and during selected time periods. To start, go to Organization in the main menu. Click on Availability Template. This window displays all existing availability templates for your node. To add a new availability template, click on the plus button. Under Template Details, complete the following fields. Name, this is a compulsory field. Write a description for your template. To add a condition to the availability template, click on the plus button under Availability and complete the following fields. Description, this is a compulsory field. Select the nodes, days, time periods, and date ranges as needed. Once done, click Submit. You will now link your availability template to your product. To start, go to Products in the main menu. Click on Manage Products. Search the product using the product code or name. Click on the pencil to edit. Click on the POS Configuration tab. In the Product Availability field, select and assign the new availability template created for the product. Once done, click Save. That's it. You have successfully created an availability template in Unity. For further guidance, see our other tutorials and user documentation.